Hello and welcome to Aina Today with Minazim. Grand finale. Vigil alert by all stakeholders. The grand finale is expected to be a thriller. Political parties, top leaders, candidates, and the polling agents are keeping a vigil but also on alert. The exit poll predictions have already turned into a heated and acrimonious debate between the ruling BJP led NDA and the opposition India Alliance. With just hours before the counting to begin, political activity reached its feverish pitch. Stock markets boomed over the news of landslide victory for BJP and NDA. Benchmark stock Indies index and Nifty rallied more than 3% to close at lifetime highs. In a first and unprecedented move, the Election Commission of India held a press conference, probably to send home that all is well. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar dared the opposition to share evidence of allegations that returning officers and district magistrates were influenced to vitiate the poll process. Kumar was flanked by election commissioners Gyanesh Kumar and SS Sindhu. The commission had made preparations to deal with any foreign attempt to influence the poll process, but these allegations have come from within the country itself, he said in an apparent dig at the opposition.
काउंटिंग का और सारे इलेक्शन प्रोसेस का एक बहुत ही रोबस्ट सिस्टम है। हम नहीं समझते किसी दूसरी जगह में इतना रोबस्ट सिस्टम हो सकता है जहां एक एक पार्ट डिसाइडेड है। कल 6 बजे क्या होना है, 6:15 क्या होना है, 6:30 क्या होना है, एक पार्ट खुलेगा तब दूसरा जाएगा, किस जगह में कैंडिडेट होना है। काउंटिंग का भी ऐसे ही पूरा प्रोसेस कोडिफाइड है।
Congress leader Jairam Ramesh had claimed that Home Minister Amit Shah had been calling district magistrates and collectors and indulging in blatant and brazen intimidation.
ये जो आंकड़े हैं और जो वास्तविक परिणाम आने वाले हैं 4 तारीख को, ये जमीन आसमान का फर्क होगा। 295 सीटों के कम इंडिया जनबंधन को आना बिल्कुल असंभव है। एग्जिट पोल पर विश्वास रखना मैं समझता हूं बिल्कुल गलत है।
Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi said the India opposition bloc is hopeful the results will be completely opposite to exit polls predictions. We have to wait, just wait and see. We are very hopeful, Sonia said.
We have to wait, just wait and see.
How hopeful you are to form the government, ma'am?
Well, we are very hopeful that our results are completely the opposite of what the exit poll is saying.
Home Minister Amit Shah also had a series of meetings with his party top brass including JP Nadda and Rajnath Singh. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav questioned the veracity of exit polls. He claimed the agencies conducting them were only trying to create a conducive atmosphere in favor of the BJP.
हालांकि चुनाव खत्म हो चुका है और बहुत सारे एग्जिट पोल तरह तरह की जानकारी दे रहे हैं। भाजपा कई दोषों के लिए जिम्मेदार है। सामाजिक रूप से भाजपा ने देश में सौहार्द बिगाड़ा।
RJD leader Manoj Jha, in a veiled threat, cautioned the EC against any lapse in the counting process. He demanded that all votes polled and counted should be displayed at the end of each round.
लेकिन ईवीएम में 918 वोट आ रहा है, तो ये त्रुटि है, ये विसंगति है। इस विसंगति को दूर करने के लिए फौरी तौर पर कार्रवाई की जाए।
All political parties and stakeholders are keeping a vigil for the final of Lok Sabha polls. Will it be an exciting and thrilling finish? Wait and watch is the only option right now. Thank you for watching Aina Today.